Hello everyone, it's Glenda-Ray here, out in the wind, in beautiful nature and the sunshine. You can probably hear the wind in the video. And I received a gift from the universe. I came out to this picnic table in this beautiful park, and on the ground, right where my feet were, is this beautiful golden locket heart. And look what's on the front. I don't know if you can see it. I have to move it so you can see it. Maybe I'll move this and see if you can see it better. There's a beautiful unicorn on the front. A beautiful unicorn. And I asked Spirit if this was left for me, and Spirit said yes. And you can open it and put a picture inside. Yeah. You know, sometimes I find things in nature and I'm guided to leave them there. But this time, I got the message that this was for me. And I love journeying with unicorns. They're magical and powerful. And also Pegasus, which I know Pegasus isn't really a unicorn, but to me Pegasus is like a unicorn. So I journey with Pegasus and the unicorns often, sending infinity waves to the planet. So yes, the unicorns are with us. All you need to do is, there's no right or wrong of course, but is tune into them, is to tune into their frequency in believing that you can, because you can. And send a beam of light from your heart to the unicorns in your third eye and ask them for a message. Ask them for how you can assist, help the planet. They're here to serve us, to help us. They want to help us and support us in ways that are beneficial for all. So I'm drawing from my angel tarot a message for the collective. And you know what's falling from the trees right now is these little miniature, they look like little miniature acorns. And you know, one acorn can grow 1,000,000 trees. So you might want to Google, it looks like a miniature pine cone actually. And I believe that there's something about the configuration of a pine cone. It's very significant spiritually, and also in something to do with the Fibonacci sequence as well. So you might want to Google that and ask for the spiritual meaning of a pine cone. I know it has very interesting significance. So we got a message from the unicorns and pine cone. And now from the Spirit Tarot, Angel Spirit Wisdom Tarot, I'm going to draw a message for the collective. So beautiful out here. I could sit here all day and receive messages from nature and bring everything into balance. Nature has an amazing way to restore balance and harmony in all areas of your life, especially also by taking off your shoes and walking barefoot is so beneficial to ground and to release excess electrical energy that isn't serving you. And so let's see what we have. The Empress. Oh my goodness. I hope you're sitting down because the Empress is holding a unicorn in this image. Oh my. It's time to take action. Give birth to your dreams. Oh my. Creative projects will be very successful. Abundance and prosperity. Wow. You see, when we follow our guidance, I was guided to come out here. I wasn't guided to do this inside my house. Spirit says, no, you're going to go out into nature. And look what showed up. Unicorn, unicorn, beautiful unicorn heart pendant, and pinecone wisdom, and now again, unicorn as the Empress is holding the unicorn. So it's like you're ready to soar with your gifts and talents. You know, all the special wisdom that you hold within, your unique gifts and talents and unique messages. You are ready to serve your tribe with them and take inspired action. You know, you get up in the morning and you're guided to make a post or send an email or whatever that is. Begin now to take action. And you know, you might think that a small action is not very significant. The universe doesn't know the difference. A small action, a big action, it doesn't matter. It is all a part of the unfoldment of your path in service. And you know, your form of service can take any form. It doesn't matter what you do, whether you sweep floors or wash dishes or clean houses or do tarot readings or offer Reiki healing. It doesn't matter. It's you that's the gift. You are the medicine. You are the gift exactly as you are. There's nothing you need to change. Because within you, from all of your lifetime experiences, you hold unique wisdom and unique talents that nobody can bring forth the way you can. And the world needs you. The world needs you exactly as you are. So I invite you today to, you know, to write down possibly 3 things or 8 things, because it's Infinity Month. Infinity Month is powerful. The consciousness of infinity 8, prosperity 8. So tune into that. Tune into the consciousness empowered by the number 8 and the 8-8 portal and the 8-8. It's such powerful energy right now. Use it to empower your life. You know, just tune into it. You don't need to know how. There is no right or wrong. You just imagine that you're connecting with that consciousness of the empowering energy of the number 8, and in prosperity 8, and infinity 8. And it also 8 represents the symbol of infinity, which is harmony. So tune into that and allow that to empower your life. Just with your intent. So I invite you to write down 6 to 8 things, or it doesn't matter how many, of action steps that you can take now, that you're ready to take in living your dream, whatever that is for you. And just as you're guided, do one at a time. Watch what happens. Even after you take that first step, the universe will bring to you anything and everything you need, and beyond what you need, to manifest that dream. Because as you align with it, and you might, well, okay, what does that mean? It means that your heart and your soul and your physical body is one with that dream. It's like a match. It's like you what you feel, your heart's desire in your body. It's important to connect to the body, because this is how we manifest. So we feel with all of our senses our heart's desire. What is that? See it, feel it, touch it, taste it, hear it, and see yourself living that dream. And what does it feel like? Who's around you? What are you doing? What are you experiencing? Feel it and allow it to light you up from within. And then also you need to take the action. So when you write it down, you really help to ground it, to anchor it in this reality. You take the action, tick it off, said yes. You watch how the universe will bring more and more to you to serve you in living that dream. Your only job is to keep your vibration up high and keep focusing on what you desire, and take inspired action when you feel guided to take that. And notice what changes for you and around you. And if you would like to go further and deeper into your transformation and empowerment, or you would like assistance in manifesting something, reach out to me. I'm a powerful manifester, an intuitive channel, medium, author, psychic, animal communicator, animal healer, people healer. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. There's no time or space. Doesn't matter if I'm working with an animal, a pet, a tree, a crystal, a person living, a person passed over. The connection is there. And it's organic and very powerful. And if you want to check out my book, Transformative Meditation, it's on Amazon. And in the book, I talk about my life journey. And there's 21 healing journeys in that book to assist you in your transformation and empowerment. And yes, so that's Transformative Meditation by Glenda-Ray Revere. And you can reach me at secretsoundhealing@gmail.com. That's secretsoundhealing@gmail.com. Or you can respond to this video and say, yes, let's connect and have a session or a package of sessions. And I also offer payment options. So to you, to your magic, to your wisdom, to your journey. Namaste.